Hi guys, good day and good to see you again at this flower factor video. We're going to create a stunning design with this beautiful Phalaenopsis orchid. I have two styrofoam rounds, so I'm going to make them stick together. Nice and easy, quick and very sturdy. So time for the wooden pieces. So I glued all these wooden pieces on top of this frame, and now I'm going to fill the little holes with this Tillandsia and some pins. Having all this done, it's a really cool object which I'm going to place on a pin very easily, just like that. And we're going to place in the plant. So this is a really cool object for a beautiful plant like this. Hopefully this one inspired you. And see you again in another Flower Factor video. Bye bye.